Welcome to Purple Shirted Math Apps. We're going to take a look at a determinant finder today, and this perhaps of all the apps I've made, I have the most time invested in this one. If you know how finding a 5x5 map, the process by hand, telling a machine to do it, quite involved, and it's certainly worth it though, because unless I am illustrating to a student how to do this, I'm never going to find a 5x5 determinant by hand again. Obviously, we have calculators that do this work for us, but this I believe is very, very handy. Works great on a document camera for viewing for students, and obviously if you're a student, regardless whether college age, whatever, or high school, or working with determinants beyond, very, very quick. Nice to have something with you. You don't have to throw something into Excel. You can find determinants on the run. So I'm just gonna cruise around the environment a little bit here. You see we have 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, or 5x5 environments. So here's a 2x2, and we can enter values in here. You can certainly enter decimals if you'd like. I'm just going to stick with integers. And when you do press on a key, it does open up your number pad. You don't have to mess with the possibility of entering letters in here. And everything works very, very quickly on here, although my computer has a lag time to it as it's recording this. So let's go ahead and calculate this guy. And that's sped up already, but 146, by all means feel free to check that. Here we can clear, we can exit, we can go back to our home screen. 3x3, very, very similar, all the same process. Let's go ahead and take a look at 4x4. You can just see everything's very, very clean. I'm going to go ahead and do a 4x4, and then we'll take a look at the 5x5 screen as well. It's just a matter of getting through the entry, and I think you'll get a really good feel for what's going on here. I'm not going to do too much with any negative numbers here, just in the interest of time. Okay, so there is our 4x4 entered. By the way, this is designed so that if you have a 0 value, it will automatically put a 0 in there if you don't enter it. But let's go ahead and calculate this. I've calculated, it's already solved it immediately, and there's our negative 590. Let's see if I clear this guy and just enter a value here, pretty boring matrix right here. Calculate that. It just fills in the values with 0, so that keeps it from airing out. And of course, the determinant of this is 0 if you know some determinants. Okay, let's go back to our home screen. You'll see we have space for a 5x5. Same process. I think you get a real good feel for this. Just extraordinarily useful if you're in matrix study. A lot of real-world applications in determinants, and probably finding a 5x5 as many times as I've done it. The organization, it takes about a page of paper, and we're looking at maybe, investing a good 15 minutes if you're pretty involved, if you're pretty good at it already. So hope this is helpful. Stay tuned. We got a lot of apps coming out your way, and going to try to make your life a little bit easier. Best wishes, and stay tuned.